Good morning, students. Let's do chapter number 2 of Hornbill book named We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together. This chapter is about a family who decided to travel the world by the sea route. In July 1976, a businessman, along with his wife Mary and son Jonathan and daughter Suzanne, decided to travel from the world to one corner to the another. They wanted to travel as Captain James Cook did in 200 years plus ago. The age of the businessman was 37 years and his son and daughter were 6 and 7 years old respectively. They have spent 16 years of their life while training themselves in facing the difficult phases of the sea in the British waters. ये कहानी एक बिजनेसमैन की है जिसका ये मन की मंशा रही कि वो दुनिया को समंदर के रास्ते ट्रैवल करे और वह अपने परिवार जिसमें उसकी बीवी मैरी, बेटी सुज़ैन जो कि 7 साल की थी और बेटा जॉनथन 6 साल का था, उन्हें लेकर वो ट्रैवल करने के लिए डिसाइड करता है और 16 साल से वो और उसकी पत्नी अपने आप को ट्रेन कर रहे थे कि किस तरह वो समुद्री यात्रा कर सकते हैं. Not only this, they made a wave walker boat which was 23 meters long and whose weight was 30 tons. And they have tried their level best to be trained in a way that they can face the roughest weather when the situation comes. तो कहता हर तरह से उन्होंने अपनी तैयारी की थी कि अगर समंदर में तूफ़ान भी आ जाए तो वो कैसे आगे जा सकते हैं. The first phase of their journey was smooth. For the first 3 years there was no problem and they traveled 105,000 kilometers and it was a pleasant journey. And this was from the west coast of the Africa to the Cape Town. This journey was smooth, no problem was faced by them anywhere. But before going into the southern Indian Ocean, they appointed 2 crewmen, American Larry Vigil and Swiss Hub Sizzler. These were the 2 men who were appointed by them to be the crew member on the ship. ये उन्होंने 2 व्यक्ति नियुक्त किए थे जो कि एक अमेरिकन था और एक दूसरा स्विस था ताकि वो साउदर्न इंडियन ओशन में जहाँ पर अक्सर तूफ़ान आते हैं उनकी हेल्प कर सके. And the narrator says that on the second day of their journey out from the Cape Town, the wind started blowing at very high speed. And as a result of it, the mast which was very high, it was tilted to bit. कहता दूसरे दिन हवा बहुत तेज़ चलने लगी और कश्ती का आगे वाला हिस्सा कुछ झुकने लगा. They celebrated their Christmas on 25th December and at that time they were 3,500 kilometers in the east of the Cape Town. Although the weather was changing, it was changing for the worst, but they managed to celebrate Christmas. And but unfortunately, there was no improvement in the weather till the new year, and they were not able to celebrate it that they wanted to have it. On January 2, the waves became gigantic. They were very enormous in size. They were very big. They made very big trough and crest. And as a result of it, they have to take the precautions or to safeguard their boat. They fixed the small storm jib in front of the boat. They double lashed everything and They tried their level best to protect the boat from the bad weather.